Eu för dieser Video att filma en din melfizon dat min vill zaka len an dat min khalafan om mina noiland inzasen. Jag ska läsa bojes vatsen väl dirmas galeja kut. Merci för alles bisen. Kan missa. Hello everybody, I am Alex le petit curieux. Let's play learn together because the school is almost over. I'm gonna prepare a code like this for my teacher because I want to show her how much I love her. You need a paper like this. But I'm gonna use red instead of orange. And I need to cut it with this special scissors that is zigzag. And I'm gonna cut on the lines to make it smaller. My card looks like this. But I want to make it more beautiful, and I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna make the flowers from hearts. To make this heart, I already drew with the crayon. Still a bit of heart. The heart looks like this. There's a lot of hearts. There should be enough for the flower. Now, the final step is glue the heart. It's very, very hard because you just have to glue only a half of heart. Card looks like this. What do you like most? Orange or red? This is Alex le petit curieux. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.